Hello everyone and thanks for hanging out with me. Today I want to talk to you about three very special EVs that I considered buying, and they have very similar price and very similar range, and I just want to talk about all the specs about the car and compare them and leave out as much opinion as possible so people who are considering buying one of those three can maybe make a better informed decision. So let's go. I want to compare today the Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus in white, the Hyundai Kona Electric with the big battery in grey, and the Volkswagen Id.3 First Edition Line 2 or Plus. They all come in with a very similar price tag. Model 3 comes in with 44,390 euros here in Germany. Hyundai Kona 45,400 and Id.3 Line 2 will cost around 44,500. Now let's talk about specs, and I will always say it in the same order: Model 3, Kona, and then Id.3. Battery size: 50 kilowatt hours, 64 kilowatt hours, 58 kilowatt hours. WLTP range: 415, 449 and 420 kilometers. This is 254 miles, 279 miles and 261 miles. Motor: 175 kilowatt, 150 and 150. Model 3 is rear wheel drive, same as the Id.3. Kona is front wheel drive. Torque: 375, 395 and 310 Newton meters. 0 to 100 kilometers time or 0 to 62 miles per hour, 5.6, 7.9 or 7.5. Top speed: 225, 167 and 160. Let's talk about charging. They all can charge AC with 11 kilowatt, DC peak is 100, 77 and 100 kilowatt, DC average is 80, 65 and 80. They all have a CCS plug. The good thing about the Model 3, of course, is that it can not only charge in any CCS charger, that public charger or whatever, it can only charge, also can charge at the Tesla superchargers. Average consumption is 147, 162 and 168 watt hours per kilometer. Cargo space: Model 3 425, Kona 361 and Id.3 385. Towing capability: only the Model 3 has the option for 1,000 years to have a tow hook. The Id.3 has a tow hook included, but only for a bike rack. Only the Model 3 and the Id.3 will get over-the-air updates. The Hyundai Kona can't. But the Hyundai Kona and the Id.3 have internet connectivity to get live traffic information. The Standard Range Plus Model 3 does not have that feature. Turning circle: 11.8, 10.6 and 10.2 meters. Something very important: the delivery time. Model 3 in only 1 to 2 months. The other two around 12 months if you order right now. When it comes to self-driving, of course Tesla has the famous autopilot that works really great. Id.3 that will not come with any self-driving feature. It will come with an update, but it will be very similar to the Hyundai Kona's lane follow assist. Region: the Id.3 can change its region via the gear selector. The Model 3 has a setting on the touchscreen, and the Kona has 5 different region levels from 0 to 3, and then the region boost. Speech control: Model 3 has speech control and the Id.3. The Hyundai Kona only has it if you connect your phone via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. If you want to interact with your car, Model 3 only uses the touch screen. The Hyundai Kona has a smaller touch screen and more buttons. Id.3 has a mix but less buttons than the Kona. Warranty: Model 3 and Id.3 have 2 years. Hyundai Kona has 5 years warranty on the whole car. Check interval for the Model 3 does not exist. Tesla doesn't say when you have to go to service. Id.3 will be every 2 years. Hyundai Kona every 15,000 kilometers or 2 years, whatever comes first. When it comes to servicing, of course, Tesla is a bit behind with the service centers. There's a lot of Hyundai dealerships, but of course in Germany there are billions of Volkswagen dealerships that can service the Id.3. Build quality right now is only a problem with the Model 3 because Tesla is pushing out cars as fast as they can, and so a lot of cars in Europe that are arriving have a few defects, but maybe they can get those problems sorted out soon. Insurance cost for the 3 cars is very similar. Model 3 is a bit more, Kona is a bit cheaper, and the Id.3 will be around the middle. Free charging with the Model 3, you have the partner program with the link if somebody already owns a Tesla, and then you get 1500 kilometers free supercharging. With the Kona there's nothing, and with the Id.3 first edition you get 200 kilowatt hours for 1 year that you can charge free with the WeCharge card on the public stations. Let's go to all the features that the cars have. They all have heated front seats, but not heat seaters in the back. Only the Model 3 has electric adjustable seats, but it does not have a heated steering wheel. The other 2 have. They all have LED lights. Only the Kona has the heat pump, which is more efficient for heating. So there you have it. You have all the specs and all the features. Of course, there's still how you feel in the car, how you feel driving the car, and I drove the Kona, it was amazing. I drove the Model 3, which was amazing, not the Standard Range Plus though, it was a long range model. I only sat in the Id.3, it was comfortable, but we don't know how it feels driving and everything. But you know all that I pre-booked the car and I set my color and everything, and I'm excited about it and I want that car. So thank you very much for watching. I hope I could help you a bit. Have a great day and take care. Bye. Cargo space. Towing capability. I just thought of it. Why is real to 3, 5? God, I'm stupid. No heat seaters. No heat seaters. Oh my god.